I'm Kushal Latifzai. I'm a regenerative medicine doctor, and I specialize in keeping people young.
I'm Vasily Eliopoulos. I'm a regenerative medicine doctor, and I work with people who want to control the aging process. Through the work that we do, our clients maintain lifestyles for much longer than they previously thought possible. We give them the tools they need to look, feel, and perform as younger, healthier versions of themselves.
We've spent combined decades in the traditional medical field caring for the most critically ill and injured patients. Drawing on that experience, we found that in traditional medicine, patients are defined by their symptoms and by their disease processes.
We created Rocky Mountain Regenerative Medicine to be able to take a more customized and individualistic approach to medicine. We found that the most outstanding results are possible when people are able to define themselves on their own terms. At Rocky Mountain Regenerative Medicine, we empower patients to define their own goals.
By coupling cutting-edge science and technology with our customizable plans, our patients become healthier and more vibrant, better versions of themselves.
How do you want to define yourself?